Welcome back to Future Drive, your go-to place for the latest, most exciting updates in the world of cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the upcoming model year, the all-new 2026 Chevy Blazer. Chevy is making bold moves, and this Blazer is a clear statement of what's to come. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at its design, performance, tech features, and what it's going to cost you. Let's start with the exterior. Chevy has given the 2026 Blazer a fresh, aggressive redesign. The front grille is sleeker, wider, and features a new LED lighting signature that makes the SUV instantly recognizable, even in the dark. The overall silhouette leans more coupe-like this time, with a sloped rear roofline and more aerodynamic curves. The wheelbase is slightly longer, giving it a bolder stance and more interior room. You've got multiple wheel options ranging from 18 to 22 inches, depending on the trim. Under the hood, things are looking interesting. The 2026 Blazer will come with multiple powertrain options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that pushes out around 250 horsepower. But for those of you looking for more punch, there's a 3.6-liter V6 variant expected to deliver over 310 horsepower. Rumors are also swirling about a new hybrid model, possibly even a plug-in, which would be a huge step for Chevy in competing with the likes of the Toyota RAV4 Prime and the Ford Escape PHEV. And yes, Chevy has confirmed that an all-electric Blazer EV model will run parallel with this gas-powered lineup. All trims are expected to offer either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and Chevy is refining the suspension setup for a smoother, more agile ride. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, the Blazer seems like it's ready for anything. Now let's step inside. The 2026 Blazer gets a major interior refresh. Expect a 13.4-inch touchscreen running the latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment system, along with a fully digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with over-the-air update capabilities. Higher trims get ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof that makes the cabin feel even more spacious. When it comes to safety, Chevy isn't cutting corners. The 2026 model includes Chevy Safety Assist as standard, which means features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, forward collision alert, and a rear-view camera. Optional packages will add adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision, and even hands-free driving capabilities on certain highways with Chevy Super Cruise. So, let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2026 Chevy Blazer is expected to be around $37,000 for the base LT trim. If you're eyeing the RS or Premier trims with all the bells and whistles, expect to go north of $50,000, especially if you're adding AWD and tech packages. The hybrid and EV variants may fall somewhere in the mid to high 40s depending on configuration. To sum it up, the 2026 Chevy Blazer is shaping up to be one of the most balanced midsize SUVs in the market, a solid mix of performance, tech, and design. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan or just shopping around for a stylish, modern SUV, the Blazer should definitely be on your radar. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Future Drive. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you go for the gas model or wait for the EV? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.